Welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, we will see how we can download and install Google Chrome in Windows 11 operating system. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the browser that we have installed in the computer. Here I have Microsoft Edge. I'm going to open it up. And then I'm going to open up google.com. And here we will search for Google Chrome. And here the first link that we get will be Google Chrome web browser. We will click on that to open up the website. And then we can straight away see the download Chrome option. And also it has chosen the operating system for us. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to uncheck this checkbox, which is about automatically sending some usage statistics. And then I'm going to say download Chrome. The download will start automatically. If it doesn't start automatically, then you can click on this link which says download Chrome manually. Now the download is complete. We will close the browser and we will open up the downloads folder. And here we can see the Chrome setup. This is the setup program. We have to run this program and it will download the Google Chrome and install it in our computer. So we will double click on this file. If it asks for the permission, then click on yes. Now the downloading and installation process will start. We just have to wait for the process to finish. Alright, now Google Chrome has been downloaded and it has been installed in the computer, and also it has launched the Google Chrome browser. So we can click on this get started, and we can customize the Google Chrome. And here I'm going to click on next. Then I'm going to choose the default theme, click on next. And here we have the option to set Google Chrome as the default browser. I'm going to say set it as default. It will open up the settings app. Now here, if we scroll down, then we can see Google Chrome. If we click on that, then we can see the file extensions and the associated programs to open those files. And here for .html files, Microsoft Edge has been selected as the default browser. I'm going to click on this option to change the default program. I'm going to make Google Chrome as the default browser. So once we do that, it says, do you want to check out some features about Microsoft Edge? We will say switch anyways. And now we can select Google Chrome and we can click on OK. And similarly, we can do the same step for other file extensions. For example, .shtml, we can do the same thing. I'm going to select Google Chrome. And also if you want to open up PDF files with Google Chrome, then you can do that in here. I'm not going to do that. And then for XHTML, I'm going to do the same thing, Google Chrome. And for FTP, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to select Google Chrome. For HTTP, we will make Google Chrome as the default browser. It has updated for HTTPS also. And also depending on your need, you can customize, or you can select the default browser. So after that, we can close the settings window. And here it says, do you want to sign in? I'm going to say no thanks. And that's it. We have successfully installed Google Chrome in Windows 11 operating system. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you want to say something, then write it in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.